Okay, you can see that the front reception area and the purple wall and the mirrors. You can also see the gate and more of the poles and stuff. And then we have the door up front where we reception area was pulled out, and that's going to be used for the conference room. And then you can see we've torn out all the front reception area. And we're looking down the hallway where you see now we've removed the poles and mirrors on the one island. And now we're taking off that whole shelf on the one wall. And the mirrors will be going. And now we've also now mudded it and everything. Now it's painted. And then you see on the one island here, the front island, we've actually removed the door, made a doorway. But then we actually removed it and made that whole front area a U shape. And you see the front part here. And then you see the finished product before we put the carpeting down. And then that door that was up front by the reception area, now we've cut out the hole here at the front conference room. And then you can actually see the door in as we add that. And here's another view of that, looking up front. And you see we're starting to mud and paint. And then here's the front part of that conference room. We're going to square this all off. So we got the one wall there squared, and that's right in front of the conference room where the reception area was. And you can see where the telephone, everything was. And now we've started squaring it off. Now we've completely squared it off, as you can see by this picture. We're getting ready to put the electrical in, getting ready for paint. And now we're back in the kitchen area. We've closed the kitchen hole, and we've mudded that up, getting that ready for paint. And then that second island you saw earlier, we were actually going to take out. So we took all that out, as you can see by this next picture here. That's made more room and opened it up, and now here's another view. You can actually see that. This is before the carpeting. And now you get to see where the sinks were. This is where the mural is now painted. So we had to prep this wall. So we started the mudding process. Got it all mudded. So it's mud drying there, and then we coated it with a flat white. And then the mural was put up there. And here's the other part of that. That's the back of the front conference room. Got that all mudded and sanded. And then here's our big conference room. And then here's our big office also. So tomorrow you'll see more.